Hello everyone! I'm Jennifer Lucero, 1K guider here in Philippines from Las Piñas City. Right now, I'm showing to you my dashboard, showing to you my latest Get Help or financial assistance request. Last March 14, 2016 for an amount of 4,100. And this amount was collected from my bonuses. This is would my leadership bonuses and my referral bonuses. Okay, and that same day, March 14, 2016, I this MMM system assigned my only one provider, that is Dante Braceros. Thank you, Dante. And the same day, Dante Braceros sent me a fund of amounting of 4,100. Look how generous, how active this participant would be. Thank you, Sir. Thank you, Dante Braceros, and also to our founder, Sergio Mabrodi, for supporting this kind of system, this kind of community. Okay, thank you to all of the members, participants of MM community. Together, we can change the world. Okay, Mabuhay Philippines.